Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Jonathan, back with another video. And we've got something really cool planned in store for this video. In store for this video, we've got something really cool to do. We've got something really cool to show you guys. So, as you can see by the title of this video, I made a DIY drum set out of Tinkertoys. Out of Tinkertoys, I made a DIY drum set. You can do this at home. If you don't have Tinkertoys, it's kind of an old toy. It's at my grandma's house, and I just kind of sometimes you can make some really cool things out of it. So yeah, you can go buy them. I think they have them somewhere in stores. Tinkertoys, they're pretty cool. Yeah, so I made a DIY drum set. So before I show you guys the drum set, here's the drumstick. It's just like little green pieces that I use for drumsticks. So let's go ahead and show you the DIY drum set. Here it is, guys. Here is the DIY drum set that I made. Right here. I'll do an overhead view of the drum set. So guys, here is an overhead view of this DIY drum set. From the camera, it kind of shows it backwards. But yeah, but it might show it better in the when it actually gets filmed though. But this is the hi-hat. This is the snare drum. This is Tom 1, Tom 2, Tom 3, and Tom 4. And then we've got the crash. We've got the I don't know what happened in the camera. So we've got the crash, and we've got the ride cymbal. So yeah, guys, hi-hat, crash, ride cymbal, snare drum, Tom 1, Tom 2, Tom 3, Tom 4. It's kind of backwards from what I see in the camera, but it might show it a different way. But yeah, so like I said, you just get Tinkertoys, and yeah, but what's also pretty cool, go ahead and sit you guys down, I'll be right back. What is also cool, guys, is that I made an extension like Tom thing. So say you don't like the way the toms are set up, you can just put this extension on. It has like little pegs at the bottom, so you can sit it down. And when you are not using this extension, you can make it like quads or something like that. But yeah, so say you don't like the setup of the toms, you can just like change it with this thing. And yeah, so drop a like in the drop a like on this video if you want me to try to like put this on and see how it looks. And then of course you can attach another Tom 4, another floor tom if you wanted to. So yeah, it's just a cool little quick DIY, my first DIY on this YouTube channel. Smash the like button if you want me to do another DIY video, and comment in the comment section down below what DIY video you want me to film. It could be like anything, honestly. It could be another thing with these Tinkertoys, because these are pretty cool things to use. Or it could be like a DIY like Lego something. So let me know in the comment section down below what if you want me to do another DIY video, because I'll happily do another video, another DIY video. Also, we are very close to 100 subscribers, only one away. So if you're watching this video and you're not yet subscribed, make sure to go hit that subscribe button, and also turn on the post notifications, the notification bell right next to that subscribe button, so you guys don't miss a single video, a single one of my videos, because I have some really cool ones coming up. I know I've been slacking off on making a lot of videos lately, but I'm telling you guys, soon I'm going to be making a bunch of videos, challenge videos and everything like that. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more of these DIY videos. Also, before we go, you can't forget about the Bible verse of the video. Comes from John 14:6. Jesus answered, "I am the way and the truth and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me." Think of that as you go through your week. Have a good rest of the week at school, guys. And yeah, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Peace.